Hi guys, it's Emily. If you're new, please like and subscribe. Today I'm going to be making Mother's Day gifts. I'm going to be making chocolate strawberries and a calendar. First, I'm going to start with chocolate strawberries. Let's get to it. You will need some sprinkles, some strawberries, a few pieces of chocolate, some wooden sticks, a knife, but ask a parent first, and a chopping board. First, I'm going to cut the stalks off the strawberries. Now I'm going to put the sticks into the strawberries. Next, I'm going to melt the chocolate. Now I will pop the strawberries into the chocolate.
You need to put them right in there so they get all the chocolate on them. Okay, that wasn't the best.
You might have to hold on to the strawberry as well as the stick because they're not the best.
And just like all the chocolate drizzled stuff. Oh, nearly came off. Try and use all the chocolate.
Once you've done that, quickly put the sprinkles on top of the chocolate, just in case it hardens. Not to make a mess. Now you can pop these in the fridge for about 15 minutes and they'll be a perfect Mother's Day gift. Hi again, and now we're going to be making our seasonal calendar. You will need some scissors, but ask a parent first, a glue stick, some printed out dates for 2021, some colours, a few stick-on jewels, $13 pieces of card, 2 pins, and a punch holder, which I have already used on these cards. Let's get to it. Before we start sticking anything together, we need to cut out the dates. Just to let you know, I'm not the best at cutting.
Just cut around all of them.
Now let's do it with all the rest of them. I've cut out all the dates. Now you need to get your second piece of card and your first date, as well as a glue stick. Put the glue at the back of the date. and then stick it on. Now let's do it with all of them. I finished off sticking off all the dates onto the pieces of paper. Now I am going to colour them in. You can use whatever colours you like. I'm going to use Crayola.
May I have to fast forward, by the way? Oh, fast forward it right now. Just so that you know. Is it showing every single one? Yeah. I'm gonna fast forward it. I'm gonna cite it and do this for the rest of them. So when you're done, you're gonna fast forward it. You've got those. Because it's January, I'm not gonna do it very summary. I'm just gonna do maybe like commentary and fast forward. Oh, and what colours of fire? Red, orange, yellow.
As you can see, I've done all different types of drawings, but not very summary because it's just January. Now I'm going to do them with the rest. I've finished doing all the colourings. This is January. This is February. This is March. This is April, but you can't see it very well. For May, I haven't done anything because nothing's coming up. I haven't done anything for June either. For July, I've done athletics and school. I've done August, autumn. September, it's my mum's birthday. October, it's Halloween. November, nothing. And December, Christmas. Now I'm going to do the front of the calendar. With the front cover, you can add jewels and colours onto it. Here's the front of my calendar. Here's the finished product. These are the finished products. These are the strawberries. I left them in the fridge for about 15 minutes. I hope you've enjoyed watching and tell me which one you like best, the chocolate strawberries or the 2021 calendar.